Hello again to Instyle Auto. This is a Toyota Camry Aurion 2006 and 2011 navigation multimedia system with reverse camera. Specific for the vehicle, comes with capacitive 7 inches, no, this is an 8 inches touch screen. Plays SD card, comes with Bluetooth. You can synchronize your contacts, make phone calls, receive phone calls, play your music, stream music to your phone. It's fully compatible with the steering wheel controls because it's specific for this vehicle. Also plays disc, DVD and CD. Alright, you can change the source from the steering wheel also. RDS radio for better reception. Navigation GPS system with the latest Australian and New Zealand maps. AM FM radio, we mentioned that already. Slide this the page. It's a CarPlay ready, plays iPhone and Android phones. You get 2 USB inputs, one of them is in your glove box and the other one will be here and plug directly. AV input for front camera optional or any external source. Clock, calendar optional. DVR Dash Cam recorder, games optional. Tire pressure monitor system. This monitors the pressure of your tires, and you can set an alarm also with the maximum and minimum pressure of your tires. That's also optional, and comes with reverse camera standard with distance lines. Sales and installations, please call Luis from Instyle Auto on 0404897027, 0730535670, or visit our website www.installauto.com.au. Our Facebook page is Instyle Auto. Thank you.